A hot tub for quick muscle relief. When prescription drugs fail to provide relief, smart people turn to the hot tub. With elevated heat, buoyancy, and massage, a dip in the spa is a fast, proven way to feel better. Here's how to use a hot tub for quick muscle relief. Heat soothes pain. There's a good reason why athletes, fitness gurus, and everyday people turn to heat to relieve muscle pain. It works. Elevated heat in the spa reaches the entire body, dilating blood vessels, increasing circulation, and rejuvenating sore muscles. Buoyancy for support. Water is buoyant, and that's exactly why you feel as light as a feather when immersed in it. By removing strain from the feet, legs, and back, the body can relax, easing tension and pressure that increase muscle fatigue and pain. Personalized massage. No one can deny the gratifying sensation of massage on sore muscles. Modern hot tubs feature innovative jet clusters that make it easy to customize the perfect hydro massage. As your needs change, jets can be changed too for personalized massage. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a hot tub to help improve their overall health and well-being, Allstate Home Leisure is providing free test soaks at all of our showrooms. We do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub, pick up a copy of this free hot tub buyer's guide, How to Select the Best Hot Tub Dealer. Just give us a call or visit our website at www.homeleisure.com.